Right, so I'm with James, and of course, James, we've flown these a lot, haven't we? This is the Flightline Spitfire from Motion RC.
Yeah, the 1.6 metre one, I think.
Yeah, 1.6.
Yeah, they're lovely models, and yeah, I've only been out once in the last 18 months, really. Actually, with this, so I thought we'd mod it a bit and then come back down and give it another go.
As this full size goes over, interrupting our sound. It's gone now. But you've added this sound module. So
yeah. Talking of sound, we put in. I think actually this is something you've had for a while, right?
I've had them off and on yet. So which one is this?
Do you know what? I'm not sure. It's been in a box sitting in the shed for a couple of years, and what's very important is to make sure the speakers are mounted on a decent amount of fuselage, apparently.
Sense.
Yeah.
All right.
So, yeah, we've turned it up to full, and it'll be interesting to see how loud it is.
Yeah, we've got full volume with two of those transducers, and it uses the surface it's in contact with as the loudspeaker, effectively, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah, very clever stuff. Yeah,
start it up. Let's see what it sounds like then. The prop isn't spinning.
Well, I thought we'd wait till we get out.
All right, let's do this. That sounds quite loud. So let's
yeah, let's get it out there.
Fly it and see how it goes. Sounds good to me. On the low speed passes, it sounds really good.
Yeah, considering there's a bit of a breeze today. Gear down. That was terrible.
But we've got several videos of you doing that in the past. So. Is the prop okay?
Yeah, absolutely fine.
That's good then.
I mean, it nosed over, but it wasn't the worst landing I've ever done. That doesn't say much for my landings, does it?
So that aside, the sound was a brilliant upgrade.
Yeah, it just makes it, gives it that little bit more realism, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, I thought, and it was loud enough, appropriate to the size of the model. I thought you could hear it the entire time.
Yeah, no, that's good. I like that. That's a keeper. That'll stay in.
Might have to do that myself.
Awesome.
Very good. All right, thanks, James.
See you later. Gear down.